Well, rain stopped play again. I progressed it a fair bit this morning. As you can see, the headlights are fitted now. I've been cleaning along the wing. There's new bits of angle iron. They've cleaned up the actual runners for the door removed. New bits of angle iron. It can be drilled, be welded there to form part of the structure. Be welded midpoint there as well, and then that'll fit behind there. There's a new skin for the cab itself. I'm waiting. It's a Fulton Major. There's a lamp. It is. I use the innards. This is an old Drott lamp casing. I use the old Fulton Major reproduction interiors to fit in there, which no modification whatsoever. They fit perfectly. So that should be due tomorrow morning. As I say, the weather is taking its toll now. Brand new strips of angle iron, 40mm by 40mm, will be welded and bolted. You can see how bad it is on the other side. It's been repaired at some time, but that will be cut out and redone the same as this side. The light's looking pretty good. It's all taking shape now. The horn works as well. Horn works. So the headlights are fitted and fully operational, as you can see. So and the flashing light on the top. She's looking really good now. The biggest job really is to clean the brake bands up. Are you going to try and do them in situ, slacken them off and clean them up a bit, and then retry them out. But the biggest job actually is the cab repairs. As you can see, it's coming along fine now. We'll have a brand new strip there. What happened with this particular machine? This is aluminium and on iron, and it corroded underneath and reacted and actually warped the runner. Even though it worked fine, it warped the runner. But they're going to seal it properly, and it'll be actually in better condition than when the machine was new. Wiper motor will be coming shortly, so that will be done. So the wiper motor and turn the lights off. The wiper motor and the rear work light will be completed, so that's conclusion of the electrical repairs. So it's just fabrication work. Can't do much tomorrow because I'm out, so that'll be screwed down. I can't do any welding until I'm going to put stainless steel nuts and bolts, so it'll be done. It wouldn't corrode, and it should look nice. But that's it at the moment. I'm afraid the weather is beating me again. But what can I say? I'm quite pleased the way the roll is taking shape. If you look over the other side, you can see it's not so bad as the other on the right side. The left side, see how bad it is. It has been repaired in the past, but I'll get to it, and it'll be done. Done a fair bit of work this morning, and it went to plan. So hopefully over the next couple of weeks the cab will be done. The intention is just to remove all the windows. I'm just going to respray give the cab a complete respray inside and out, so it'll be a full cab refurbishment, and that's it. The rest of it staying as it is, just be touched in where required. But the cab will be refurbished. There'll be new window rubbers. These are starting to perish now, and she'll look good. I think she's going to look good. So here's till next time.